Before you begin, remove the cable cover, the stand, and the rear cover. Removal. Remove the 3 Torx 15 screws that hold the plastic webcam cover in place. Lift the plastic cover from the webcam module. Disconnect the webcam cable from the motherboard. Route the webcam cable out from the cable guides. Remove the 4 smaller Phillips head screws. Gently remove the webcam. Important: if you now intend to also remove the webcam assembly, please review the webcam assembly video before proceeding. Replacement. Gently slide the webcam into the webcam assembly. Replace the 4 smaller Phillips head screws. Route the webcam cable through the cable guides. Reconnect the webcam cable to the motherboard. Place the plastic cover on the webcam module. Replace the 3 Torx 15 screws to secure the webcam to the webcam assembly.